How to use TikTok, a beginner's guide. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you and guiding you through how to use a TikTok application. So if you are using a TikTok application for the first time, make sure you have successfully installed your TikTok application, and also make sure you have successfully updated your application as well. Since you can see I've already updated my application, I'll just tap on it to open the application just like this. So what I can do is, this is your first home screen. So this is exactly where you will be if you are not to log in, and it might ask you for your login credentials. So you just have to log in with your login credentials, and once you log in, you will be seeing your home page, your profile page like this. So let's talk about inside of a profile page. So when you successfully logged into your through your email or phone number, and you will land in this page of your profile section. So under your profile section here, you can see followers, number of following, the people you follow, and number of your likes. So under this grid, this is where you will see all of your post, your uploaded post. And under this section, you will be seeing your archives, so which is private because it cannot be viewed by other audience, so it's only visible to you. And this is the section where you have reposted your video. If you have reposted your video, it will be shown over here. And this is the section where you can see there are multiple subdivision as well. So this is the place where you can see your saved post or collections, if you have any, or if you have saved some sounds, effects, products, playlist, movies and tvs, and comments, and etc. like this. So, and this is finally the section where you will be seeing all of your liked videos. So that is it for profile section. So this is under your inbox section. Here you'll be seeing all of your notifications, like who liked your photos, who followed you. And you can also add now, like simply like a Instagram notes just like this, or Facebook Messenger notes. So it's an updated version. And from over here in the friends section, you will be seeing all of your friends based on your contact with your Facebook friends or your phone number contact friends. So you can also see their post as well. And inside the home section, you will be seeing all of your some random TikTok under your For You page. So this is where you'll be seeing all of your video from, or reels from. So you can just like the video like this, and you can also comment from over here. And you can also save the video by simply saving on this, and you can also share the video by simply tapping on the share button through different social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. And you can also see the hashtags option over here by clicking on more over here. And finally, to post your video, you just have to click on this plus icon over here and simply click on photo or 15-second video or 60-second or 10-minute. So since TikTok will give now up to 10-minute of long videos, so you can also choose a filter for your video or just normal one. You can also use templates, which is already created video for your random video. So you can do a lot of stuff like that. That is it for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful, and hope this guide helped you through to how to use TikTok. So for more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.